voice is coming properly, then let me know. If everything is fine to you, then I will start my today's class.
Sir, repeat.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So chapter that will be 7 now. Chapter 7. Comparing quantities. Under this ratio and proportion that is already completed. Okay, it will be completed its concept. Numericals we will do later. Okay, now next concept that will be percentage. Okay, next right side.
Sir, chapter number is 8 now.
Chapter number
8.
8. Okay.
Yes.
Right, 8. Sure. I'm not interested in number. I'm interested in the name of the chapter. Okay.
Sir, me too.
Next topic that will be percentage. Okay. What that mean? It's words will be coming from the words percentum. Okay. Okay. Percentum. Per means and it words will coming from per per and centum. Okay.
Per means 1.
And per means each centum is coming like century. If you will learn from this word century, century means 100.
Century means 100.
Okay. मीन्स अगर कोई बल्लेबाज 100 रन बना लेता है तो वो सेंचुरी बना लेता है ना? क्यों भाई?
हाँ.
ओके.
और जब 19 सेंचुरी हो जाएगी तो 20 सेंचुरी आ जाएगी.
पर मीन्स फॉर ईच. So from this terminology, the meaning of percentage will becomes per 100, or maybe you have listened out of 100. है ना? If we will compare anything per 100 out of 100, ठीक है? तो the terminology meanings will be this way. So this is the now the main meaning of this percentage. It is coming from the words percentum. It will be divided into two words, per and centum. Centum means century, per means each. So now the main meaning or the meaning now becomes that will be per 100 or out of 100. Okay. Okay. Is this
Sir, you are audible.
Is this concept is clear? Means the meaning of percentage.
Yes, sir.
And it is denoted by, write down, it is denoted by the symbol, this one, percent, this symbol.
Yes,
okay?
one divided line.
It is divided by this symbol. Okay? Wait, I will turn off my video, then if
Yes,
the voice...
sir, it is not showing for us.
Okay. Now my screen is properly visible now?
Yes, now it is.
It is denoted by percent, this sign, write in comma, and its meaning will be out of 100. Okay? Out of 100.
Yes, 100.
Okay. Now in next slide, suppose we will write some examples. What is the meaning of 10%? It is read as 10%.
Out of 100.
So how to convert this one into fraction, decimal? We will learn now these things. ठीक है? अब यानी कि कोई भी परसेंटेज दिया गया है नंबर्स में, suppose the question will be written, question will be like convert 10% as fraction or decimal. So how we will solve these questions? So we will solve this question in the following manner. So before we will discuss, write down heading percentage to fraction. Next heading, percentage to fraction.
Your voice is breaking.
How we will change this thing, percentage to fraction? Later we will discuss fraction to percentage. Okay? So I'm taking the same question, this one. Convert 10% fraction. Okay? So 10% will be written as 10 upon 100. क्योंकि मैंने बोला the meaning of this one is out of 100 means compare with 100. तो यानी कि 10% का मतलब 100 में आपके 10 मार्क्स हैं, यानी कि आपके 100 में अगर 10 मार्क्स आएंगे तो एग्जाम में कितने परसेंट मार्क्स हैं आपके? 10% है. इफ एनीवन आस्क्स, राइट? ओके, अगर यानी कि बच्चा वो फेल्ड है.
Yes, sir.
क्या है? फेल्ड है. Similar. So now this 0 will get cancelled out. Now it will be converted to 1 upon 10. यानी कि 10% को फ्रैक्शन में हम लोग कैसे राइट करेंगे? 1 upon 10. Is this 10% in the fraction is clear to you? You just divide by 100.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some more questions. Suppose 25% is there. Okay?
Yes.
25% is there. Then how to convert into fraction? That will be 25 divided by 100. Advika beta, why you tell me one thing, you are not attended some last week classes?
Just because I was out of station.
Huh?
Sir, I gone to Tirupati, that is why.
Okay. Okay. So now 25% meaning is 25 divided by 100. If you will simplify, 5 5s are 25, 5 2 are 10, 20. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. That means 1 upon 4 means 25% is equals to 1 upon 4, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us 50% change. 50% will be 50 divided by 100. आपको कुछ नहीं करना, परसेंटेज साइन को हटाना है, डिवाइड करना है 100 से. 5 1s are 5, 5 2 are 10. यानी कि आपको 50% 1/2 के इक्वल होगा. Now 33%. 33%. That will be 33 upon 100. Okay. Now it will not simplify, so no need to solve. Keep it as same, right? Okay. Now 66%. That will be 66 upon 100. So it will be now simplified in this way. 3 upon 50. यानी कि 66% in written in fraction form. 33 upon 50. I have cancelled out by 2. 2 3 are 6. 2 3 are 6. 2 5s are 10. And 0 will be there. So 33 upon 50.
Sir, means we have to make it half, na?
Sorry?
Means we have to basically make it half.
Make it half means dividing by 2 only. Further it is not solvable, so keep it as same. Right? So I hope the basic concept of percentage to fraction is clear to everyone. If anyone is this concept is not clear, please let me know immediately.
Sir, understood.
Okay.
Yes.
To everyone this concept is clear. If anyone comes late,
Yes, sir.
if anyone comes late in the meeting, please tell me, I will repeat that one, no issue.
No, sir.
So convert fraction into percentage. That will be, you will write here, we have to divide by 100. You can write this one for your understanding. यानी कि आपको परसेंटेज टू फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 100 से क्या करना पड़ेगा? दिए हुए नंबर्स को डिवाइड करना होगा. ठीक है?
Divide.
Yes.
Now next B part, fraction to percentage. Before that one, moving on, I will टेल यू आल्सो डेसिमल पॉइंट, फ्रैक्शन और डेसिमल, ठीक है। डेसिमल also I'm going to clear over here. Now look, 1/10 I have done this thing in the previous previous chapters. I think third or fourth chapters will be there, है ना, fraction to base fraction and decimal chapter.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
1/10 will be, what is the value in decimal, anyone? Because this is done by me or already.
0.
Yes, sir. जितने जीरो रहेंगे ना उतने ही पॉइंट बाद में लगाएंगे तो फिर 0.1.
Yes,
0.1.
जितने भी जीरोज होते हैं आपके यहाँ पर उतने ही डिजिट्स पहले हम लोग डेसिमल पॉइंट रख देते हैं, ठीक है। अब जैसे यहाँ पर है, अब यहाँ पर तो देखो 25 और 100 को देखो, केवल 25 और 100 को। सो हाउ टू राइट दिस वन इन डेसिमल? 0.25। हाउ टू राइट? 0.25, क्योंकि 25 आपके पास है और डिवाइड बाई 100 है, कितने जीरोज हैं? 2। डेसिमल पॉइंट 2 डिजिट्स पहले, राइट। अब यहाँ पर 50/100 है। नाउ अब 50/100 को आप राइट करोगे इस तरह से, 0 gets cancel out. Now decimal point will be 1 digit before, so 0.5 और 0.50, both are same thing.
0.5.
क्योंकि decimal यहाँ पे
क्योंकि जो
हाँ, yes,
because
after that decimal point.
हाँ,
if we add 0 after 5, there is no value for that 0, so we write it or we don't write it, nothing happens.
Okay, but listen to me. Don't write this one 0.5 is equals to 0.05. This is not equal.
No, yes.
आप मतलब
हाँ।
पहले नहीं जीरो बढ़ा सकते हो, बाद में जीरो बढ़ाओ, घर की खेती है।
हाँ, अगर हम 0.05 लिखे, I mean 50 लिखे या फिर 0.500 कितना भी लिखे, एक ही आएगा वो।
Right, yes, very good.
सबको पता है।
This is not equal
Or
to
like in positive numbers, there is means after before any number we add 0, no value of that 0.
हाँ,
means they,
just don't have to
add after the number.
look at this.
Roy shouted
Look at
too
the
much.
if you are writing
राजवीता आने के बाद सब
0.25,
लोग बोल रहे हैं।
okay, suppose this is written, so if you are writing this one 0.25000, this way it will be same. It will be same.
Yes.
But 0.25 and 0.25, it is not equal. Here decimal one
Yes,
zero will
that
be-
is not equal, never.
this is not equal because now look at here, 10th place will be 0, 10th place will be 2. So how can you say that they are equal? Here 10th place will be equal, 10th place will be equal, 100th place will be equal, 100th place will be equal. ठीक है? And later that everyone know that no meaning.
हाँ,
ठीक है? So please keep this
अगर
little bit
डेसिमल के
concept.
राइट का सारा अगर लेफ्ट में आ जाएगा डेसिमल के, तो
हाँ,
फिर
लेफ्ट
उसमें
में
का
आप डेसिमल के
0
लेफ्ट
कुछ
में
नहीं होगा।
आप नहीं बढ़ा सकते हो आप, ठीक है?
सर अगर हम ऐसा एग्जाम में लिखे
Sir.
तो फिर सर चलेगा ना, मतलब मार्क का।
हाँ, of course, बिल्कुल।
Sir,
जैसे
इस बार
means
exam
student gets
offline
confused, rupees 0.5, वो बच्चे समझते हैं कि अब 5 पैसा है, लेकिन ये 5 पैसा नहीं, 50 पैसा है।
50 पैसा है, हाँ।
This is your
Yes, sir.
50 पैसा, not 5 पैसा, ठीक है? This is
0.05 it is.
देखो 5 पैसा 0.05 होता है। This is your means 5 पैसा,
5 पैसा।
5p, not means 50p. 50p is equals to this one.
0.5 is equals to 50 paisa.
अब इसको क्या पढ़ोगे? कितना क्या लिखा हुआ है पैसे में?
0.40
40 paisa, 40 paisa, 40 paisa.
अब अगर 0.0
Sir, because it is very easy that if we know how to
Please
4 rupees.
अरे भैया पहले मेरी बात तो सुनो भैया।
हाँ,
If you will speak in a group So I am not get anything from your side. If you will at least raise your hand firstly, then I will call the name. So whenever you want to speak in the class, at least try to raise your hand. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Amit.
Okay, sir.
Sir, which one means the right one or left one I have to tell?
Means both things you can say, both are equal. But this is not equal that 40 paisa.
This is 4
Sir,
rupees.
0.04 is 40 paise and
No,
No,
this
only 4.
paise.
oh sorry,
rupees.
4, just 4.
Paisa.
So don't confuse with the concept, means basic
Yes.
mathematical concept. Because
Sir, for this we know that fraction to decimal, so we can also know decimal to fraction, so it will be easy.
of
That
course.
0.5. That
हाँ.
Now coming to the fraction to percentage, next concept. Percentage to fraction is clear. Last concept that I have discussed there in the previous slide.
Yes, sir.
This one is clear, everyone. Means here you have to divide by 100 only, right? And it
Yes,
will be
sir.
also given by me in the form of decimal. So I hope everything is clear. If anyone not clear, please let me know. अभी आप बता दो. अभी आप बता दो.
Yes,
It's
sir.
clear, sir.
17 are present. So at least and please if you are coming in the classes, be regular. In 1 day, 2 day you will come. So it doesn't.
Yes,
it doesn't mean
and
anything.
if we have problems, so we can watch on YouTube also video.
Yeah, that recorded classes.
Now fraction to percentage. Suppose 1 by 2. I'm taking very simple question. 1 by 2 is fraction. So here you will write, we have to multiply
Divide.
by 100. यानी कि फ्रैक्शन टू परसेंटेज में अब देखो परसेंटेज साइन हमें लेकर आना है, तो यानी कि फ्रैक्शन टू परसेंटेज में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, 1 by 2 into 100 करना पड़ेगा. क्या करना पड़ेगा? 100 करना पड़ेगा. तो इसको जब सिंप्लीफाई करोगे 2 5s are 10 50, यानी कि जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा वो राइट करोगे और बाद में परसेंटेज का साइन लगा दोगे. अब देखो प्रीवियस स्लाइड में देखो, look at the previous slide. This one 1 by 2 and 50%, both are equal now.
Yes, sir.
That's why here
Yes.
means the 1 by 2 is coming 50%. यानी कि if you hold your ears from this side or this side, nothing matter. कान इधर से पकड़ो चाहे पकड़ो, both are same thing. But
हाँ, अगर हम 2 + 3 करें या फिर 3 + 2 एक ही आएगा.
2.
हाँ?
Yes.
क्या?
Just
Sir,
places are
3 +
different.
2 करें या फिर 2 + 3 करें एक ही आंसर आएगा.
Yes. So means
Yes.
whatever you have get over here means from percentage to fraction. I am trying to write the same there. So now 20 means 1/4. Okay. So 1/4. After that, what should I do? They have to multiply by 100. So 4
Multiply with 100.
Now look,
I always like to multiply by 100.
4 to are 8. 4 to are 8. 2 remaining 20.
We can also multiply by 25.
25%.
25.
Okay. Now look at the previous slide. 25% gives us 1 by 4, and here 1 by 4 is 25%. That means this shows that everything will be same, but the way of the working procedure that will be quite different. Now 75%, suppose. No, for not percentage. Suppose 3 by 4. This one is written. Okay, 3 by 4. So it will be convert 3 by 4 into 100 into percentage. 4 से कट करोगे आपका आएगा 25, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो कट किया है ना हम लोगों ने, तो राइट द सेम. अब यहाँ पर 3 और है आपका, 3 into 25, तो मल्टीप्लाई है ना आपका,
8 जा
that will be 75%. राइट? क्या 75% का क्वेश्चन किया है हम लोगों ने? नहीं किया. लेकिन अगर आपको
हाँ
चाहिए
सर.
75% को कन्वर्ट करना है तो क्या करो, 75 डिवाइड बाई 100.
100.
So 5 से cancel करो, 5 ones are 5, 2 remaining, 5 5s are 25, and 5 2 are 10. Now again cancel, 5 are 15, 5 4s are 20, 3/4. Look at there.
डॉक्टर को डिवाइड करना और नर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है।
Multiply.
हाँ, whatever you will means you are taking. So now
तरह से समझ में आता
Now,
है कि अलग way में-
percentage to fraction. In summary I will tell fraction to percentage or decimal. Here you can take also decimal numbers if you want to take. Suppose let us solve in new slide. Suppose 0.25 you want to convert into
Sir, your
percentage.
voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you want to convert a
Yes,
0.
sir.
सर
Yes.
Sir, एक बार आपकी आवाज stop
Please
हुई और
repeat
voice
again.
breaking.
Yes, sir. Repeat what you told.
अरे
yes,
यार,
when you said you will tell in
Listen.
summary from
Listen.
there.
Listen to me. Now in summary I am summarizing this both the concept fraction to percentage and percentage to fraction. ठीक है? But decimal concept will be quite not discussed yet. So suppose this is your decimal, 0.25 is the number. If you want to convert into percentage, right? What we have to do? We have to multiply by 100. Look at the concept. Look at the concept. We have to multiply by 100. यानी कि fraction, or you can write decimal or fraction to percentage. Fraction or decimal to percentage we have to multiply by 100. Right? अब देखो. Now look at
Yes.
here. As you have done 25 upon 100, when the in division 0, how many zeros are there in DR? The decimal point will be back in that number of digits. 2 zeros are there, then before 2 digits will be there, 0.25. If you will 100 multiply the decimal point digits will be move forward. That will be given as 25 and percentage.
Yes, just 25.
And suppose you are taking 40.
Sir, take not 5.
Wait for that. 0.40. So it will be given by 0.40 into 100. So it will be given as 40%.
40.
Decimal point will move here. And okay. Now 1.25. Now this is the problem. So look at, no problem. Just multiply by 100. ठीक है?
And to then
125.
Now the answer will
25.
be
Yes, the decimal point will just get removed.
How many zeros? That much number the decimal point will be.
Yes,
Go
and
back.
for solving it, just remove the decimal and done.
means the concept of
Yes, understood.
okay. Now percentage to, now I'm just summarizing all the results. Percentage to fraction, what we have done, that we have to divide by 100. If it will be plus percentage, whatever fraction is there, you have, sorry, percentage is there. So let us suppose 25% I'm taking the answer. To find in fraction, divide by 100, right? अब फ्रैक्शन में
0.25
सिंपलीफाई कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से डेसिमल में आपका डायरेक्ट आंसर आपका 0.25 आएगा.
0.5.
And in this fraction will be coming 1/4, right?
हाँ.
Decimal it will be 0.25. In fraction it will be 1/5. But both are 1/4 is equal to 0.25. Both are same thing, but the writing pattern is different. दोनों एक ही चीज है आपके, यानी कि 1/4 और 0.25 को आप अलग नहीं कह सकते हो. Both are same thing, right?
सर मुझे वहाँ पे नहीं समझ में आया 25 अपॉन 100 का वो 1/4
कैसे आया?
हाँ.
Okay, 5 5s are 25, 5s 2 are 10,
हाँ.
0. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Now 1,
Oh
2,
yes.
1 upon 4. So many things, so many types I have discussed this. I
हाँ.
don't know why you are not getting. Now getting?
No sir, इतने सारे इसमें मतलब थोड़ा confusion हो गया.
Okay. So don't confuse which 0.25 and 1 upon 4 both are equal. But this is written in fraction form, this is written in decimal form, right? Now.
सर डेसिमल तो इजीली आ जाएगा.
हाँ, लेकिन आपको दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा वहां पर भी. कितने डिजिट्स बाद आपको डेसिमल पॉइंट्स लगाने हैं, कहाँ लगाना है, कैसे करना है,
लगा देना है.
हाँ.
और अगर
Not focused. Please don't speak in the group. Please don't speak in the group. Otherwise, whatever you are speaking from there, I'm not getting anything. I told raise your hand, then I will listen to everyone.
sir,
Yes, Adita. Yes, Sri. Anyone? Yes, Sri.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was telling that we just have to remove that point and we will get our answer. And just we have to place with that zeros.
Don't this is your basic concept, but don't do these things again, means always. Otherwise, in some questions you will get confused. So only focus on the number of zeros and
How many zeros are there that much?
the number of zeros will be there. Count that number of zeros and decimal points in when you are going to divide, decimal points move back. When you are going to multiply, decimal point move forward. As I told, 0.25 into 100, it will be given as 25. And 25, if you will divide 25 by 100, it will not give you 25. It will not give you 25, it will give you 0.25. Because it is in division, it is in multiplication.
yes sir, and if it is 3-digit number, so it will come
In multiplication,
first it will come
in multiplication, decimal point move forward, and in division, decimal point move backward, right? Okay.
yes
sir.
Now the problems occurs 0.25, it will gets multiplied by 1000, and what is the answer?
it will be 0.025.
0.025.
बहुत मारेंगे, समझ लेना. डेसिमल पॉइंट आपका आगे जाना है, आपका पीछे क्यों पड़ रहा है? So decimal points move 3 digits, not 2 digits now. If everyone know that 0.25 is written as 0.250, इसी वजह से आप जीरो कितने भी बढ़ा सकते हो. इसी वजह से यहाँ पे जीरो आप कितने भी बढ़ा सकते हो, क्योंकि आप
बट वैल्यू तो वही रहेगा 0.25.
That's why means maybe some students ask why you are getting doing this thing 0 increase, because of 3 digits we need here to make the decimal points insert. It will be coming as 250, right? आप 0.25 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 1000 से, तो आपका आंसर कितना आएगा? 250. 25 नहीं आएगा.
250.
0.250.
So 250 भी नहीं, 250 because the pronunciation.
250.
Sir, means 0.250 it we spell na.
There is the decimal
Yes, sir.
point.
No decimal point in that.
Where is the decimal point, Anay?
No sir, means if there is means not decimal point, so means there is if decimal, so that is spelled.
After decimal points, you will raise the number separately, 25, not 25. But it will be, there is no decimal number, so you will read as 250. Don't confuse yourself and ourselves also. Maybe not confused.
Yes sir, I know.
I am not getting confused, but others will get confused now if you are speaking these things. If you will get doubt, please raise your hand, then tell me. Now, coming to the so fraction to percentage in this concept. I'm just recalling that already discussed. I'm just recall these things. Means summarizing all the things. Fraction to percentage, we have to, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 100.
Multiply it by 100.
हाँ.
Multiply by
So
100.
fraction यानी कि suppose 4/5 is there, 3/5 is there. So how to convert into percentage? Multiply by 100. 5 से कैंसिल करोगे आएगा आपका 20, तो 24 are 80%. यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफाई
Yes.
करोगे 20, this will be 60%, right? Right or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So, and decimal to percentage, everyone know that I have done here. Decimal to percentage, this thing is decimal to percentage, right? Decimal to percentage. Okay. So now the concept regarding these things like F to P, F or D to P, or P to F or D. Clear this thing? Fraction to percentage or decimal to percentage, and
Yes,
percentage
sir.
to fraction or decimal to percentage. Is the things are clear or not? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Okay. So now, next, let me see what are the next topic in your class. I think
सर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम सारे मतलब जितने भी पिछले साल के लेसन है एकदम फास्टली रिवाइज कर रहे हैं.
Next thing, increase or decrease as percent. In next concept, increase or decrease as percentage. Please listen this concept very carefully. Suppose I am the person. Yeah, you are the person. Any one of you. You purchased some items. You suppose purchased bicycle in 2020 of rupees 5,000, right? आपने 2020 में साइकिल कितने रुपए की खरीदी? 5,000 की. And my suppose this is purchased by Advita and next Yashasri. You purchase in 2021 same bicycle means हीरो की, ठीक है, हीरो की मान लो, ठीक है, हीरो की बाइसिकल अद्विता ने
हीरो और एटलस.
हाँ,
हीरो और एटलस.
no, both are there. Yashasri and both are here, so I am taking the name.
Oh.
अद्विता ने हीरो की बाइसिकल 2020 में 5,000 की खरीदी, परचेज की, और यशस्वी ने 2021 यानी नेक्स्ट ईयर में वही साइकिल, सेम मॉडल, सेम साइकिल परचेज बाय यशस्वी, दैट विल बी 5,500. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर किसको फायदा हुआ पहले ये बताओ?
Advita.
वेरी गुड. अब यशस्वी को जब 2021 में इतने की पड़ी, यानी कि यहाँ पर जो प्राइस क्या हो रहा है,
यशस्वी का घाटा हुआ.
प्राइस विल बी इंक्रीज
500 rupees.
Now look at the now strength. At the 18 was there, now 9 are there. If they are not in regular way in whole the class, then nothing they will get. This is the problem.
Yes.
Now I'm taking the attendance this one also.
So Prathamesh also left.
No problem. But 18 to 10,
Yes, sir.
they are means by intentionally means they are giving the attendance, or maybe someone told give the attendance in the maths period. हो सकता है किसी मीन्स क्लास टीचर ने आपसे बोला हो कि मैथ्स की क्लासेस भी करो, तो मीन्स नेम की शक्ल दिखा के चले गए, देन व्हाट शुड आई डू नाउ?
सर अगर हम एब्सेंट भी हुए तो
सर
सर
वो-
मैं वीडियो भी देखता हूँ हर बार.
मीन्स दे आर मेकिंग अस,
सर वो बोर हुए कि चले जाते क्लास से,
हां,
हाँ
उन्हें बोर होने लगा कि वो चले जाते क्लास
हाँ
से.
सर. और एक बार मैंने भी प्रथमेश को पूछा था फोन करके कि तू क्लास को क्यों लीव किया. उसने बोला अरे यार छोड़ मुझे काम है दूसरा. ऐसा करके इग्नोर करके कल कॉल कट कर दिया था एक बार.
That was not my part. That's why I'm taking the attendance in the regular basis. Screenshot. Whenever some of the parents
एकदम
will
लास्ट
call,
में लेते जाओ.
now is there means TDK is there?
No.
One of the students' name Sushant TDK, I think.
Shubham, sir, Shubham.
Shubham.
Okay, sir.
He is not here. After that, parents will came. Sir, marks sir उसके नहीं आ रहे. But ये नहीं देखता parents की मतलब
Less than 1 minute.
they are regular or not in the class. Okay, we will discuss the later part tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Less than 1 minute is there, so I'm going to end this meeting. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
सर ये कौन
Bye.